Do you think it was time to do an Empties video? Hey everyone, it's Laynie and welcome to my channel. Don't mind my hair today. I was not gonna do it. It's that simple. Didn't feel like it. But I seriously hope you guys are doing fantastic. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning to my channel, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And if you enjoy beauty content, fragrance, and lifestyle, then make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button and join the Lash fam. Excuse me, change my channel name. Join the fam. Just the fam. Join the community. You won't regret it. But you guys, yeah, I've been really procrastinating filming this for some reason. And it is honestly one of my favorite videos to watch and to film because I feel like when you see products people have used up, you really get a feeling for did they actually like that product compared to, like first impressions or quick reviews, things like that. This really needed to get done. I have a lot of stuff in here. So I'm just going to dive on in. The first thing I am pulling out is a Josie Marin Whipped Argan Oil Body Butter. OMG, love. A friend gifted this to me when I was pregnant and it's amazing. I love it. I would definitely repurchase. I see 3 hair products that I just used up actually while we were on a little mini trip to Kansas City. This is is it Way? Is that how you say it? I'm not sure. Haircare Texturizing Hairspray. I do really like this. Would I repurchase if I wasn't on a budget, which I'm on a budget right now? Yes. But while on a budget, no, because I feel like you don't get a ton of product in here for the price, but it does a really good job and it smells really fancy. You smell rich when you use this. I've been enjoying Dove products. This is the Dove Detox and Purify Dry Shampoo. I love it. It's easy to get rid of the white and it does a very good job. I would definitely repurchase. And then their Flexible Hold Hairspray. I enjoyed it. It's kind of just like any typical hairspray. I'm not real picky when it comes to hairspray, but yeah, I would repurchase. The EOS Shea Butter Shave Cream. I really did enjoy this. This was the vanilla. It smells amazing. The only thing is I've really been enjoying using a hair mask by, who's it by? I can't remember. It's a papaya hair mask and it actually works amazing as shave cream. I will link the video I talked about it in to share that with you guys because I love it. I used up this Bio Oil Dry Skin Gel. This I actually used on my face and I really liked it, especially for when I was really dried after being pregnant. I really liked this and I would repurchase. I used up a ColourPop concealer. It's not my favorite. I would rather use e.l.f. It's also affordable. Sky High Lash Sensational Mascara by Maybelline. I really don't remember my feelings on this, so I guess it wasn't that good. I used up some perfume. These were the little mini diamonds by KKW. I honestly loved all 3 of them. They're so pretty. They're all very floral, but the yellow diamond is a little bit sweeter. If I had to pick one, it would be this one. It's so yummy. A product I absolutely love, Good Molecules Pineapple Exfoliating Powder. This is honestly just like the Tatcha exfoliating powder. It's amazing. You get so much more in here and it's so affordable. I would definitely repurchase. This is great. I just kept it in my shower and I would use it probably 3 times a week. It's amazing. It does a really good job, but it's very gentle. The Elemis Rose Facial Oil, I really did like it. I got it in BoxyCharm a while back. A little of this goes a long way, so it does last forever, but it's really expensive. So I would rather just buy the Ordinary's Rosehip Oil because it's just as good and it's like $9. The Tarte Micellar Water, was not a fan, burned my eyeballs. The Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Illuminating Hand and Body Scrub, amazing. Smells so stinking good, so good. It's one of the best smells I've ever smelled. I love it and it does a really good job of scrubbing and leaving behind so much oil richness. I love it. The Cleansing Oil Balm by Burt's Bees, I did enjoy it. I wouldn't not repurchase it, but I honestly have found the e.l.f. one to be really good and it's like $10, so you can't beat it. Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster, something I got in BoxyCharm. It was okay, but it didn't do anything amazing. Would I repurchase? No. I used up a Trace Steak Cream Blush, which is shocking because I hardly ever use cream products on my face, but ever since having a baby, my skin is way more normal and I can actually use cream. I kept this in my daily makeup bag upstairs because it was so easy just to throw on real quick when I'm getting ready every day, and it just gives you a natural kind of finish. So I did enjoy it for an everyday, simple kind of wear. Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic, it's okay. Would I purchase? No. The Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factors. Yes, I would repurchase this. It's very affordable and it does a nice job. On the Rise NYX Mascara. So good. Does an amazing job. Very affordable, but honestly, I'm kind of digging my e.l.f. mascara. e.l.f. is killing it lately, but this one, if you really want to get tall, long lashes, this will do it. Bio Oil Skincare Oil. Oh my gosh, you guys, my friend recommended this to me when I was pregnant. I wish I would have used it from the get-go. I got very few stretch marks when I was pregnant. I already had some, so those got a little bit longer. But as of new stretch marks, I got very few. Like very few, and I really think it was because of this. My friend swears by it. This helped me. If you're prego, I highly recommend. Glam Glow. I love this. This is the Gentle Bubble Cleanser. I kept this one in my shower because like there's so much in there. Like that's a big honking bottle of cleanser and it just does a really good job and it is very gentle and it's very bubbly like it says. I actually like this. Would I repurchase? Because I'm a cheapskate. I got this in BoxyCharm. Maybe. The Tatcha Lip Mask, enjoyed, but I felt like you didn't get a lot of product. I prefer the Laneige. I finished up the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Crush. There is something so enchanting about their scent. I love the lotion so much, and if you layered those two together, like you're gonna get a pretty potent fragrance, but the body splashes don't last that long to me, or maybe I go nose blind to them. Sorry if you can hear a little miss upstairs. It's nap time. She's a little cranky. But this honestly is like longevity wise, I would not repurchase, even though I love the scent. And definitely don't recommend the Eau Parfum version because that to me was way overpriced for like no longevity at all. Dove Between Washes. This was just like a hair scent. It did smell really good and I used it. It was kind of just like one of those impulse buys, but it's not really necessary. So many dry shampoos have already some type of fragrance in there, you know? A favorite, the Joa Blur Activator Mineral Primer. This is amazing and a total dupe for Hourglass Mineral Veil. This will make your skin look so smooth. Love it, would definitely repurchase. Elemis Pro Collagen Mineral Cream. I did enjoy it. Received this in BoxyCharm a while back. Would I purchase? No, because Elemis is so expensive, and again, I feel like I can buy really good skincare from like The Ordinary and Good Molecules for such an affordable price. It's just not worth splurging on something like this. Tried and true Garnier Micellar Water, an absolute fave in this household. Mario Badescu Skincare Facial Spray with Aloe Herbs and Rose Water. I actually really enjoyed this. I was very surprised. I was always kind of curious and I was like, look at that cute little size. It's really good. It made my skin look really nice. I used it after makeup. I never used it alone, so I can't speak to it as just a skincare item, but I really liked it over makeup. The Beauty Blender Redo. Oh my gosh, I really enjoyed this. Would I repurchase? Possibly. I did really enjoy this. It had a really nice mister, and it did make my skin look really lovely. Like it really melted the makeup in and gave a nice dew without looking oily, which is important to me. Big Ego Tarte Mascara. Decent, but too expensive. Not going to buy that. Catrice Prime and Fine. They make great setting sprays. The Soft Soap Luminous Oils. I really enjoyed this. You can't tell when it comes to like soaps. I'm balling on a budget. Back in the day, you know, I did spend my money on the Sol de Janeiro, but I got bills to pay now. I got a baby to raise, so soft soap it is. Speaking of Laneige, this is a splurge, and yes, I would definitely repurchase. Love this stuff. It does such a good job. I have found a hard time finding a lip mask for overnight that I think works as well as this. So if you have affordable recommendations, leave them down below. I could use those recommendations. NYX Brow Pen. Love it. Camouflage Essence Concealer, wasn't a real fan, again, would much prefer the e.l.f. The Milk Kush Fiber Brow, love it, but again, I would much prefer the e.l.f. Can you not tell? Big fan of e.l.f. around here. Their products just keep getting better and better. Elemis Superfood Psychacalm Hydration Juice, I'm not sure if that's how you say it. I loved the vibe of this, like I loved the glass jar, I loved the pump, I love the idea of the serum. It just makes you feel like you're doing something extra good for your skin. Did I see anything crazy happen from it? Not really. It did leave a nice dew. I will give it that. the It Cosmetics CC Cream. I actually really do enjoy this. You get a lot of coverage. It gives you a very youthful glow without being oily. I would love to get another little sample size of this. I got this in the shade Light. Their colors are a little bit weird to me. I've always had trouble picking out colors from them. See, that's just, I feel like it's very pink toned compared to my skin. My skin is a little bit more like yellow, olive. I can get away with most neutrals, but to me that is coming across very pink. And I just don't like how pink looks on my skin. It looks funny, but I love the finish of it. I just don't like that color on me. And then the last two items here are something I want to dive back into again when I'm not on a budget. Does anyone else always have like leftover conditioner? Just me? I can't put too much conditioner on my hair, otherwise it gets so flat. But this is the Olaplex No. 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo and Conditioner, and I've heard so many wonderful things about this. I've used it a couple times now, and it's been a little hit or miss for me. The only thing I have found is that it can kind of weigh my hair down and make it get oily faster. But now that I'm outside of pregnancy and my skin is more dry, I wonder if maybe that would change a little bit. I know so many people who rave about this. I have a friend who's a hairdresser who swears by it. So once I use up my Redken shampoo and conditioner, I'm really considering going back to this because I'm definitely struggling with my hair post-baby. Like, I'm losing a ton of hair, which I know is pretty normal for most of us, but I'm just losing so much hair, and I'm on a journey to make my hair healthier. That's why I went dark. I'm naturally not quite as dark as this, but my hair is pretty dark naturally, and I feel like the blonde was just really not doing it. Like, my ends were getting so fried from the bleaching process. And I do feel like my ends right now are doing pretty good with this darker color, and having got a little bit of a chop a few months back, I probably need to get another chop. And I'm trying to not use heat on my hair a ton. If you can't tell, like on the day-to-day, I don't do heat. Usually for filming, I would do some type of heat and then use whatever curls remain for like the next few days. But today was not feeling it. But people swear this really helps their hair, especially with split ends. So I'm thinking about diving back into Olaplex once I use up my Redken. You guys, I tried to keep that pretty fast and furious. I wanted to get through those. I really need to clear out that drawer. They've been in there a while. It was time. But like I said in the beginning, I love Empties because it really gives you a true idea for if someone actually liked the product or not. And what I want to know the most is, would you repurchase them? Because that is the key. If you would repurchase it, you know it was good. I hope that gave you guys some insight to some products I was loving and not loving. If you have any product recommendations that you want to share with me or anyone else in our community, make sure you leave them in the comments section down below. If you enjoy Empties videos, make sure you click that subscribe button, join our community, you won't regret it, and give this video a thumbs up as it really helps me know what kind of content you guys enjoy seeing. So yes, that is everything for this chill day. I'm just riding that chill train through the weekend, kick back, relaxing, you know. You got to do it once in a while. So yes, you guys, as always, please try to stay positive because at the end of the day, that is truly all we can try to do. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.